Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! 안녕! Woo. Hi guys! This is Carol from CcomoTV and I'm here to review the YAYA's very latest item, and this is Peek-a-boo Pororo table and chairs. So first of all, you can notice the very big face of Pororo right here on the table. And as you guys all love, I love Pororo's character and it's very cute. And in addition, you can see Patty and Crong and chairs. So not only you can see Pororo from the set, you can also meet Patty and Crong. So overall, when you look at these colors, it is purple, green. They're very lovely and is vivid and popping. So when you look at it, you could easily tell these designs are brand new. So I fell in love with them when I just saw it. Moreover, the best part of this item is that it was very easy to assemble. So it only took few seconds to make up this whole set. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started! Yay!
Then I'm going to assemble the chair. You just need to put the chair leg into the hole on the bottom side of chair seats. If you have done so for 4 legs, the next step would be to put this cute back seat to the chair seat. And voila! Then let's get into the table. Isn't this face of Pororo so cute? In order to assemble the table, you need to flip the table board over and lay it down flat on the floor. Next, take a table leg and rotate the leg into the hole on the bottom of the table until 2 protrusion parts of the table and a leg match. My tips for you here, guys, would be to hold the bottom of the leg and rotate into the table. Then it gets in there easier. I'll show you more in depth one more time. So repeat this process for 4 other times for other legs. And finally, you need to put the non-slip pads into the legs. If you see this pad closely, there is a protrusion part here. You'd need to have this part outer side of a leg for a perfect fit. And please do the same for other legs. Finally, we are done! Yay!
Hey guys, so I have finished assembling these little babies, and as you saw, it was very simple and easy. And as an adult, I also tried to sit down in this chair. I sat down in Patty and she is still fine. So I can tell you guys this, that these chairs are very stern. Also, not to mention this table, I painted, I colored some picture on here. And I recommend if you're an adult and you have your children with you, you could sit down with your children to color with them and watch them study and help their homework. These would be perfect for you. Yes, I recommend. 2 thumbs up. And guys, these are all 100% made in Korea. These are Korean products, but if you happen to be overseas and you are very interested in these items, leave us some comments and we will check that for you. And lastly, we are giving away these products to the ones who leave the comments down below. Tell us your favorite character out of Patty, Pororo, and Crong, and tell us the reason why he or she is your favorite character. So leave a lot of comments down below. I will carefully read them out and pick one person to give out this lovely item. So that was it for today, and I will come back with much more excitement next time. So please be ready and I will see you later. I will see you very soon. Bye!